Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making sure basic prerequisites are settled. Verify your iPhone 7 runs a supported iOS and has enough storage for an update. Once done, physically clean the home button and strip any case or screen protector that might interfere. Restart the phone to clear transient glitches, then immediately go to Settings, Touch ID, and Passcode to see if the option appears. This eliminates simple software hiccups and surface obstructions, which are the most common causes of Touch ID failing to activate. Now focus on the software and configuration. Delete all existing fingerprints, then re-enroll one or two firm, centered presses with slight rotation of your finger to capture edges. Make sure Passcode, iPhone Unlock, and Apple Pay toggles are enabled. Toggle them off and on to refresh permissions. If settings don't stick, update iOS first. If that fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset. These steps address corrupted settings or system bugs that prevent Touch ID activation. Finish by isolating hardware causes. If software attempts fail, test Touch ID behavior in recovery modes and consider a DFU restore only after a complete backup, because DFU rewrites firmware and can reveal deeper issues. If the home button remains unresponsive, schedule diagnostics with Apple or an authorized repair center. Remember, the Touch ID sensor is paired to the logic board. A key troubleshooting tip: if repairs replace the home button without transferring the original secure element, Touch ID may stay disabled. Insist on board-level diagnostics or official service.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.